up to our school of choice resolutions. We do this every year, and I have asked if Superintendent Kirby could give a quick brief overview, because he will do it much more eloquently than I would.
Well, I appreciate your confidence in that. The bottom line is with the school of choice resolution is just that it allows us more flexibility. It's something that was collaborated on with the ISD and all the area superintendents many years ago, and we participated with 105 and 105C. There's other restrictions, and there are some financial pieces that go along with it, and by opting out of those pieces, it allows us some flexibility. For example, like with 105C, if there's a special education student that's going to cross boundaries from a contiguous district, you have to negotiate with that other district on how much they're going to pay to send the student, and you have to get those bills. You actually have to get the pay for it, as well as transporting the student. It's very complicated, and there's not a lot of districts that actually find that successful, because we're trying to get money from other school districts and so on. But it does allow us more flexibility. Like there was some flexibility added this year with the ISD program that would allow a student that moved out during the school year to be able to stay with us as a student, even though they moved to their district, but they wanted to stay here. They didn't have to go through this whole school of choice option. It became an opportunity for them just to go ahead and stay with us because they've been with us. So we wouldn't have been able to do that with the 105 and the 105C. So some of the benefit for us.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. These are rather wordy resolutions, so I won't make you have fun with this. I'll say, can I please have a motion that the FHPS Board of Education exercise the option permitted by Section 105 of the State School Aid Act of 1979, as amended by Public Act 300 of 1996, to not accept Section 105 applications of non-resident students from outside our district for purposes of operating intermediate school district-wide school of choice program in accordance with Section 105 for the 25-26 school year.
So moved.
Second.
All right, and then can we have a vote on this one, please, Mrs. Neidmeyer?
Dr. Michaud?
Yes.
Ms. Commode? Yes. Mr. Colley?
Yes.
Mrs. Tryon?
Yes.
Dr. Foster?
Yes.
Mrs. Neidmeyer, yes.
Okay, there are two more pieces to this. Can I please have a motion that the FHPS Board of Education exercise the option permitted by Section 105C of the State School Aid Act, Public Act 119 of 1999, as amended by Public Act 297 of 2000, and not accept applications for enrollment from residents of contiguous intermediate school districts for the 25-26 school year?
So moved.
Second.
And could we have a vote on this, please?
Dr. Michaud?
Yes.
Ms. Commode? Yes. Mr. Colley?
Yes.
Mrs. Tryon?
Yes.
Dr. Foster?
Yes.
Mrs. Neidmeyer, yes.
And the last piece, can I please have a motion that the FHPS Board of Education participate in the Kent Intermediate School District Collaborative Schools of Choice Program for the 25-26 school year?
Yes, so moved. Second.
And can we have
Dr. Michaud?
Yes.
Ms. Commode? Yes. Mr. Colley?
Yes.
Mrs. Tryon?
Yes.
Dr. Foster?
Yes.
Mrs. Neidmeyer, yes.